Welcome to my blog. Yeah, so today I wanted to just share with you guys an awesome thing that happened to me. So today is my birthday. By the time you get this video, it would have been long past, but I just wanted to share how grateful I am to my family for their support over these years. I've been celebrating my birthday, celebrating, going through the different changes that I've been through, and my family has been always there supporting me. My wife and my son always support me, always encourage me, always looking out for me, and that's the best thing, first and foremost, that anybody could ever ask for, to have a family that is supportive. And I'm not in no way worth all the support that they give. I think they go above and beyond, but this particular birthday, my wife outdid herself, my son, they outdid themselves, and I just wanted to share with you guys that when you have somebody good in your life, when you have good people in your life, you have to send as much as possible your gratitude, so that they know that you don't take them for granted, and you don't consider nothing that they do for you to be like a waste, or nothing that they do for you don't consider it to be worthless. Every single thing, every action, every gesture, every gift, every hug, every single thing, I really and truly appreciate it. So alright, with that being said, let me show you what my wife gave me for my birthday this year. Alright, let me start by saying I get a box of stuff. Alright, and let me see, my camera is this camera. This camera bigger than me, Alright, so let me say me get a box of stuff. Camera stuff. I've been pining over this for a while, and not to them as my family, but just wanting to step up my game, wanting to shoot the videos in a better quality. When you look back at some of the videos, then they're really nice. When so anyway, let me go into it. So let me get the camera bag. I get a bag from Vivitar, and guys, this is the pièce de résistance. Alright, so I got this camera from Canon, the Rebel 6 T6i, and it's one of the better ones that are out there. It has Wi-Fi and everything, and it comes with the battery, the information that most people don't read, but I'm gonna spend time and read it, as well as do some online reviews, because I don't even know if I'm proficient as a camera person, because I've been using my cell phone for so long. This is the camera case, the card, this is the battery charger, this is the lens over here, and this is the camera in and of itself. Let me show you that a little bit later on, because I have a whole box of stuff here. And I mean, this is way above and beyond. Me, I look for hopefully one day buy a little camera, and I've been doing reviews and everything. But now look at this, which I didn't expect. I honestly didn't expect this. So I get this is a flash to put on top of the camera. This is a tripod. Yes, a tripod to do my still shots and my shots and stuff. These are lenses. And little by little, I have to go through. These are equipment, little stuff, shutter release, and all sorts of stuff women, as I said, have no clue. Poor me, I have no clue. So I'm on a researching basis now. All these little trinkets that comes with it. There's a little pocket tripod, a little one where you can hold in your hand. And a mountain of little stuff that only camera people and professional photographers know what it is. all in all, it is a whole box of stuff, and I'm sure it must have cost a bucket load. But I'm so grateful. You know, I'm so happy that this thing came about. I can start to experiment now and to start trying to go into other areas of vlogging and you know, feel comfortable and confident that what I'm doing is being done right and being done correct. You know, for years, let me show you what I've been shooting on. For years, I've been shooting with my cell phone. You know, yeah, this is what I've been shooting on. Well, not for years, but you know, the point is I've been using my cell phone for so long that I'm becoming a cell phone vlogger. And nothing is wrong with shooting with a cell phone, but when you're gone to a place where you have 1 million views, you know, and you have over 7,000 subscribers growing and growing every day, you have to step up your game. You have to make people know, say, you're interested in the way I do, and you really want to put out as much effort as possible in doing it right, you know. So let me see if I can unbag this camera right quick. Bear with me, guys. You know, my thing not set up yet, but my thing set up and start out, it's gonna be so hot, so very hot. So this is the new, well, not new, but this is a brand new Canon EOS Rebel 6 T6i. I'm gonna be doing the reviews. I'm gonna be checking out everything. Make sure so I know how to use it, what may I do correct or incorrect, and I'll let you know when I start shooting my videos from this. All right, so once again, guys, look out for bigger things. We still crave your support. You know, I know our resources, and I know this is a big sacrifice, and to be honest with you, I wasn't prepared for you know, this from coming from where it coming from. But God is good, you know, and I will still need your support. Let's put it that way. You know, everything we want to do would still need your support. I would love to be able to, you know, as it were, finance a lot of stuff that I planned, you know, expeditions, restaurant reviews, product reviews. You know, as a Jamaican guy in a foreign, but I love to can go in and check out stuff so that my Caribbean people and my Jamaican people have an idea what I want. You know, different places where they must get involved in, and for them not to get involved. And I live a foreign for 10 years now, and I love to be able to do that. So with your help, with your support, with any little thing that you can input, I'm sure we can get it done. Now you can have some good quality content coming your way. So once again, Yardie belly in a foreign, grateful, happy, celebrating another birthday, another milestone, and we say God is really good. Peace.